This video is about building AI Chrome extension. So I have this Wikipedia page, Python programming language. So what I have done is that I have built a AI Chrome extension which summarizes this Wikipedia page. So if you go to any tab of Chrome or any other browser, you can use this Chrome extension and it will summarize the entire page or the entire tab for you. So here either you can use OpenAI key or Gemini key, save the key and then you can choose the model whether you want to use OpenAI model or Gemini model and click on summarize. I'll give you examples. So for example, if I use OpenAI key, so I'll go first to get my OpenAI key. So OpenAI API and I'll create a OpenAI API key, create a secret key and I'll just say AI Chrome extension, create the secret key and I'll copy the secret key. Once I have copied the secret key, I'll go to the Wikipedia page, open my extension and I'll paste my OpenAI key. I'll save the key. So API key is saved. I'll click on OK. The model is OpenAI and I'll click on summarize. Done. So it has summarized the entire tab for you and this is very helpful extension. Same goes for Gemini. So OpenAI is not completely free. You have to pay for the API key and then you can use it. Gemini has a free tier so you can use as a free alternative. So I'll go to Gemini AI Studio to create the API key and this is the page. I click on get API key and create API key. You need to select the project. If you don't have project, you will create one. So I'll select this project and create the API key in the existing project. It will create the API key. I'll copy this. I'll go again to the Wikipedia page and click on the extension. And instead of OpenAI, I'll put Gemini key. I'll save the keys. Keys is saved. And model I choose Gemini and click on summarize. So you can see that with Gemini also it works. So this extension works with both OpenAI and Gemini and it can give very good summary as well. So this is how the extension work. Now let's come to the part how I build this extension. So this is where I wrote the entire code. You can see that the folder name is AI extension and we have different files like background.js, content.js, icon, manifest.json, options, pop-up. So all these files, all this code I have put in the GitHub repository. You can find the link in the description. So with popup.html, what I'm doing is that I am asking for the API keys from the user, and then you can select the model, which model you're using, either OpenAI or Gemini, and then we have a input for summarize where all the summarized content will go. In the popup.js is where I provide my endpoints, and we need to provide the API key, which is important, and API key is provided by the user as well to make it easier. And here we also select the model, which model we are using. We have different models, so you can use any one of them. So yeah, this all this coding and find in the description, and let me know if you have any questions. Once all this code you have, you can go to Chrome. Once the Chrome is open, go to Chrome extensions, this URL, and you will see this load unpacked. So click on this, and here you need to select the folder where all your code is. You select the folder. Once the folder is selected, you can see this extension is enabled. And when you go to your Wikipedia page, you will find the extension here. And then you can start using this extension and summarize anything. So this is how I made the um, AI extension. Is a document summarizer. And if you have any questions or if you want a detailed video on each and every part of the code, let me know. I'll make a separate video on it. But yeah, thank you so much for your time, and please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much.